Make sure you stay until the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Escape, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the front left seat fuse is located, you have two fuses that you need to check. If you have problems with the seat not working, always check these two fuses first. We'll explain that. We'll explain where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. And why it's important, guys, to always test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say, guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So the front left seat fuse, guys, where you can expect to find it, we'll demonstrate on that generation Ford Escape here. This is the pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version right here. You have 3 different fuse boxes in that SUV, it will work for both. The one that we need is in the trunk. Open the trunk, facing the car. Right here on the right side you have a cover, open it. Once you do that, you'll find the main trunk fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now, guys, for the front left seat, which 2 fuses we need to check if you have problems with it. We will be working in this row of fuses right here. The one on the left is fuse number 1, this is fuse number 16. Even if you have a missing spot, you count that fuse. You start here and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fuse number 9 is the first fuse that you need to check, but you need to have one more for that seat, and that's fuse number 10. 9 and 10 will need to be checked right here. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.